When you can't make it from one side of the house to the other without starving to death, so you put in 2 kitchens, that is a big house. 32 bedrooms and 26 bathrooms. That's awesome. I'm feeling a little bit of wanderlust today, so let's go take a tour today on Zillow and see what we can find are the 5 most expensive properties in the country. Here we go. In the country. The richest ones. All right, so let's just take a look over here. Okay, number 1. $446 million for 12.77 acres in Alabama? What the heck? $500 million for 12 acres? There's gotta be a story behind this. Perfect location for your next business adventure. Wooded lot with great potential on Highway 280 close to the Budweiser storage plant. Is that what it is? It's Budweiser? Woohoo! Don't miss out on this opportunity. All unities to be verified. Utilities? I don't know. Motivated seller. Well, for $500,000, they're not all that motivated. That's all I have to say. What would make 12 acres worth that kind of money? I don't know. I have no idea. 1,000 views. That's kind of funny. $500 million for 12 acres? I don't get that. All right. Number 2. $135 million in Redwood City, California. Ooh, that's kind of nice. I like that little reflecting pond. Let's go in these pictures and see what we can find. There's only 9 pictures. You're asking for $135 million for this property, and you're only going to give me 9 pictures to look at? Oh, that looks kind of nice, though. 32 bedrooms and 26 bathrooms. That's awesome. But I want to see what it looks like. Okay, that's pretty. Yes, those are gorgeous gardens. I get it. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Beautiful. They're not going to let us see inside. There's 32 bedrooms in there. Wow. Nice. But not spectacular. Not $135 million spectacular. Again, same thing. Is it acreage? It's Redwood City, California. Well, there's part of that right there. 74 acres. Really? 74 acres. Not a very special looking house. They didn't even give us a picture of the kitchen or the bathrooms, which of course are the fun things to see. And it's $135 million? I think they need a new listing agent. Just saying. 23,000 square feet. Nice. But you need a new agent. You need somebody to, get some pictures out there. I'm not going to go all the way to California to look at this house with these 9 pictures. That's all I'm saying. All right, what is next? So that was house number 2. House number 3. $127 million. Ooh. Is that really the view? Because that is pretty spectacular. All right, this is in Oregon. Bend, Oregon. Wow. Wow. If that is truly the view, that is pretty spectacular. Oh, but it doesn't tell us how many beds or baths it has or how big it is. That's kind of sad. All right. Looks like something they stole out of a magazine. That looks like something they stole out of a magazine. Some random guy. All right, so it must be... This is the first time I've ever done this. So it must be a thing among the upper elite that they don't show you pictures of the house. I don't know. More scenery. It's beautiful. I'll give them that. But no pictures of the house. People, that's what we want to see. Oh, good Lord. How many acres was that? Almost 33,000 contiguous deeded acres and borders the Deschutes National Forest. Okay, now I understand the $127 million. 33,000 acres. I can't even conceive of that. But I still would have liked to have seen the house. We're kind of striking out here for houses. Okay, here we go. Next one. Malibu, $115 million. 10,000 square feet. 2.6 acres. You know what? For California, that's pretty good. Oceanside acres. All right, let's take a look. All right. I have a feeling we're going to get we're going to strike gold this time with pictures. That just looks so cool. Oh, my Lord. Look at those banisters. Oh, my gosh, that is so awesome. Not sure I really like the pictures, but I love the glass. Oh, my God, that chandelier. Woo. Nice. Oh. That'd be about the only reason that I would live in California is so I could have glass everywhere. That would be so awesome. Can't really do that in Minnesota. Oh my gosh, look at that. The little entryway pools. Oh. Holy buckets. Wow. That is amazing. Marilyn Monroe. Oh, I bet she would like this house. You know, I get the white thing. The white is beautiful, but you know, so much of it just gets to be too much. I don't even know exactly how to say it, but it gets to be a bit much, in my opinion. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Look at that view. Crazy. Oh, now that's what I'm talking about. That is beautiful. Look at that tub. That is a soaking tub. Looks like a salon with all the stuff sitting out on the shelves. My shelves wouldn't look that beautiful. All stainless steel. I don't know. I mean, it looks really cool, but it looks very restaurant. I don't know if I want my kitchen to look like a restaurant. 12 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms. That's amazing. Theater. I really want a theater in my house. That would be so awesome. Holy cow, that's bigger than some of the gyms around here. Wow, infinity pool. That's so cool. I'd be sitting right on the tip with a glass of champagne. Yeah. Ooh, nice balcony. Or porch or whatever. Ooh, nice cabana. Oh my gosh, a tree house. That's so cool. What kid wouldn't love that? Wow. My son is 7 and I don't think he would ever come back inside the house. Of course, I can't imagine my 7-year-old living in an all-white house. That would be hilarious. Oh, your own gated entry. Oh, am I interested? Yes, I'm interested. Will I be touring it anytime soon? No. So that was really our first house, wasn't it? So should we call that number 1? No, that was a house 2, but oh well. So let's call this, I guess this would be number 4. I don't know. Let's just see what we get. 110 million. Beverly Hills, California. Ooh. 3.5 acres. That's kind of nice. All right, let's take a look. 8 bedrooms, 12 bathrooms. All right. It just looks like an old Beverly Hills house. It's probably got, like, you know, some movie starlet ghost hanging out in there. It's kind of what it looks like. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so obviously this one's not all white, but I don't know. I can't see. Is that Sylvester Stallone? Maybe it's his house. Maybe it's Sylvester Stallone's house.
Yo, Adrian.
I don't know. There's some weird stuff. I like the blue pool table. That's kind of pretty. Interesting. Oh, check it. That's just a big bar back there. That would be so fun. That would be a nice party place. Check out the view. Oh my gosh. Is that a huge TV? There's feet under there. That's so weird. But okay. I like the theater. Oh, see, now this is just a much more homey kind of kitchen. I love this. Lots of counter space. Much better. Nice lighting that they have in there. Simple. But yet warm and inviting. I like that. Oh, what a place to have some coffee in the morning. I'm totally digging that. I don't even like coffee and I'm digging that. This must be a statue of like, isn't there like a Spanish painter or something like that who does like chubby figures like that? I don't remember what their name is. But maybe it's a statue from that guy. Nice pool. Nice backyard. Oh, I love these fire pits. They're just so warm and cozy. And maintenance free. Ooh, now that is beautiful. I wonder if they photoshopped the colors in there. I hope not, because that's just cool. That one I want to go look at. That would be nice. Beverly Hills, though. Oh, not a big fan of Beverly Hills. Not a big fan of California, but if they were to tell me that I won that house in the lottery, I wouldn't turn it down. Okay, next one. Another California one. I suppose. California real estate. All right, another 110 million. Cali Real, Goleta, California. Okay, 10 bedrooms, 21 bathrooms. What do you need 21 bathrooms for if you only have 10 bedrooms? That's insane. Does it say anything? How many acres? Oh, 3,500 acres. That's pretty cool. Wow. Okay, let's take a look. What do we got? Oof. That would be nice. Ooh, look at the size of that pool. Holy buckets. Ooh, I like the little party pavilion, the little party decking out here. That's kind of cool. Oh, I think I would just want to have parties all the time. I would just want to have people come over so I could show them my beautiful house. Wow. I bet those are vineyards. Maybe not. Oh, beautiful. Holy cow, it would take you an hour to walk from one side to the other. That's kind of crazy. I like the rusticness of it. That's very nice. My husband's more of a modern guy, but I'm kind of a rustic person. I like the warmth. Oh, nice. What's the point of a fence when you have that many acres? I don't know. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I want this table. I need this table in my life. I need this whole outdoor picture in my life. Oh, that's a very simple kitchen. I guess for $110 million, I would for a house with 10 bedrooms and 21 bathrooms, I would expect a little bit more grandeur in the kitchen, but it's pretty. It's nice. I don't know. I like the wood-hewn floor. Those are always very pretty. But it's not, I don't know. It's not very special. I do like this little bar area over here, though. Maybe it's a beverage station? Wine cellar? Probably, I would guess. All right, we're going to click through. Ooh. That must be just a basement area? Unused? Because that looks like a bar, so I don't think it's a garage. Maybe it is. Maybe it's a really nice garage. Nice soaking tub. I want one of those. Ooh, interesting ceiling. Wow, okay. That's pretty cool. Is this a butler's pantry? Or is this part of the wine cellar? I don't know. Home theater. Don't know that I like that carpet all that much, but to each his own. Oh man, I could sit and watch some Avengers movies on that TV though. That would be cool. There's that big pool again. Closet. Look at that closet. Wow. I could deal with that. Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, we've seen. Oh, is this is a different kitchen. Oh, are we downstairs or in a guest house or something? Maybe the house is stretched out too far. They need two kitchens. When you can't make it from one side of the house to the other without starving to death, so you put in two kitchens, that is a big house. Oh. Wow. 3 washers and 3 dryers. Wow. Okay. Big family? Or lots of entertaining? Hotel? I don't know. That's crazy. All right. That's one heck of a laundry room. Wow. I don't know what that is. But it's pretty. I love that trade ceiling. That's beautiful. It's like a hotel ballroom. Is that like a water fountain inside there? Or is that like a way? It is a water fountain. Look at that. They turned their pool into a water fountain. Oh my God, that's so cool. Wow. I love that. Oh, I need that. Beautiful. Look at all the little seating areas. That's just cool. Oh my gosh, it's got 4 air conditioners. I suppose that many, I don't know what the square footage is, it doesn't tell us, but with that big of a house in the California heat, I suppose you're going to need it. All right. That was pretty awesome. So I hope you guys had fun on our little house tour adventure today. I just thought I would do something different. So if you liked it and you want to see more, let me know in the comments below. And if you did like it and you want to see more and you want to know when they're coming out, go right over here and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any. All right? Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you next time.